today we'll be looking into the topic, the difference between germicides and antiseptic. Germicides are broad-spectrum agents that are formulated to kill germs or pathogens on both living tissues and inanimate objects, while antiseptics are a type of germicide that are formulated to be milder so that it can be used on living tissues, both animals and human beings, to prevent infection. Germicides are a kind of harsh. They are used majorly for disinfecting or sterilizing of medical tools, medical equipment. Germicides are also used for disinfecting of surfaces, both at home, offices, public places. Germicides are harsh by the composition of the chemicals used for the formulation. Then antiseptics are formulated to be milder. The composition is of milder chemicals, bearing in mind that to be safe for human tissue, for human skin, because antiseptics are used on the skin for treatment of wounds, for bathing, adding to bathing water, and also for pre-surgical cleaning or disinfecting. Now, all germicides, all antiseptics are germicides, but not all germicides are antiseptic. All antiseptics are germicides, but not all germicides are safe enough to be used as antiseptic, bearing in mind that antiseptics are milder. Examples of antiseptics are chlorhexidine, hydrogen peroxide. Then examples of germicide include bleach and Lysol concentrated germicide. Here at Sonito Hygiene Products, we have products that are fall into these categories. This is in the class of germicides because it contains a high concentration of Lysol. Now, it is harsh. It is harsh. It can be used on living tissues. It can be used for bathing on cases of scabies, cases of chicken pox, skin issues. It can be used added to the bathing water, and it can be used to treat such skin issues. Now, this is antiseptic. It is milder, yes, for pre-surgical cleansing. It is good for it. It is also used for treatment of wounds. It is also good for daily bathing, adding to our bathing water on a daily basis. So today we can see the difference. This is a germicide and this is an antiseptic. Now we have been able to make the differentiation. We can now know where and when to use each product. Now feel free to order these products. We deliver nationwide. Distance is not a barrier. Our products are affordable.